I just want to make a quick video on how to give yourself more space to use video cards that aren't officially supported in the Dell Precision 5820. So these aren't really made for like gamer cards. They're more for like Quadro RTX cards that are workstation oriented. So they expect you to use like a similar footprint that between all the cards. And if you're trying to install a non-supported card in the PC, there's a couple things you can do to give yourself more space to make it work. And the first thing you'll want to do is look at your side panel, and there's this little plastic support piece that puts pressure on the cards to kind of help hold them in place so they can't wiggle around. In the middle is a number 2 Phillips screw, just a standard case screw basically. If you remove that, and then you lift up and then pull it away, that'll give you more vertical space for taller cards. And if you want to reinstall it, you line up these tabs with the rectangular holes, and then it drops down. So that'll give more vertical space. If the card's too long, there is this support bracket here that's intended to support the back of a GPU. Usually there's a metal bracket that'll come out and stick into there. To remove this, you need to lift up on this little blue locking tab, and then this will pull inwards towards the case like this, and it'll release, and that'll just give you a little bit further depth towards the back of the case, or if the front, it'll give more depth towards the front of the case in order to allow you to use a longer video card. Now, depending on your card, you may run into clearance issues with other cabling and other items, so you might have to play with that. I haven't really tested other cards. Really, if you stick with blower cards, you should be fine. So like if you get yourself a blower style like 3090, it should fit in there. It's just the bigger, if you want to put a Asus Pro Art card in there, or an XFX series card, something like that. Usually they take up more space because they're more oriented for gaming PCs. But yeah, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.